Yeah, now it rained most of the day. I have a hard time believing that this is just dust or whatever. This is so consistent. Look at that. Unbelievable. Very hard time believing that this is something natural. My buddy suggested it might be a fallout from a coal plant, coal ash, which is said to be what they're putting up in the sky, but there's no coal plants anywhere around here. I'm in South Florida, they're past Central and North Florida. Unbelievable. You gotta catch the sun just right. I mean, I don't even notice this walking around. I'm working in the yard, I don't even notice it. You go looking in the right area, and it's unbelievable. And again, this is 40 feet up. Snowing in Florida, boy. So with all the rain, it's been raining every day. If there was any dust or pollen, pretty much should be washed out. There shouldn't be an accumulation of dust or pollen or anything in fall after it's rained every day, consistently every afternoon. The thunder is getting worse by the day, the lightning thunder. Straight up explosions. Whatever this is, it looks consistent. It does look consistently sized. So we'll get a full scope out here. All the way up there. You know, how good is the camera to catch whatever that is? You can see the sky is pretty clear. It's not water mist. So, if someone wants to suggest what they think it is, please go ahead. You know, people talking about putting particles in the sky, and just so happens we film particles on the ground here. And just so happens you got people like Wigington researching it, saying that's exactly what is the fallout from geoengineering. So, I'm sure it's healthy. Autism, Alzheimer's, everything through the roof. And these geoengineers are trying to change their story. First they were talking about aerosolized metals, barium, aluminum, strontium, amongst others, and now they're changing it to sulfate aerosols to make it sound a little more natural. So, trying to control the narrative. If we don't talk about it, they won't suspect it.